How to add a name in bracket on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Hello Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add a name in brackets on Facebook, or how you can add a name that you see on others profile that on the as a nickname on the bracket. Now you want to simply open up your Facebook, tap on the three horizontal or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, here what you want to do is you want to tap on settings. Under settings, what you want to do next is you can head into personal and account information and then head into the name option. Once on name, you'll be able to see your name. Now down below you will see other names option. Simply tap on other names option. You want to make sure that your name type is on nickname, and then simply type in your nickname here. I'll just type in my nickname real quick and then save it. Once you save it, if you head back and head into your profile, now I'll just head back to my profile and show you if this works or not. If I reload this, my nickname should show up here. Now it's not showing up. I'll just reload this. So here you can see my nickname here on the bracket. My name has popped up there. So this way you can add a name in brackets on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.